roll. Question comes up a lot. What's your favorite Swiss Army knife? Well, I have a couple, and they're both pretty similar. This is the rucksack model. I got it when I was, I think, 12. It's a gift from my dad. And this is the Alox Farmer. As long as you're careful about it, as long as you're smart about it, you can use a Victorinox for just about anything you want in the woods. Don't overdo it, and make it work. Listen to your knife though. Don't break it just to prove that it's a good knife. Mosquitoes are horrible out here, so I'm going to move right along. Going to make a quick split wood fire, and I'll be back in just a minute. Trying to get some of these bugs away from me. They are fierce. And the saw cut my working pieces to length. This is some old oak. Now that the mosquitoes are down a little bit, back to the knives. Like I said, the most important thing on these two tools to me are the awl, the saw, and the blade. The awl, the saw, and the blade. The difference between the rucksack and the farmer is rucksack has a locking blade, which is good for younger users, and the farmer is Alox. It's got the aluminum handles instead of the soft plastic handles. Now, my favorite between these two, by far, is the farmer. This is a great knife, but and even though it has a longer saw, the awl is in the wrong position to be the most useful. The awl is in the center of the back. This is my favorite. What do I use the Swiss Army knife for the most? Confidence. I have confidence in that knife and that ferro rod that I can have fire just about wherever I go. As far as tasks that I have completed with Swiss Army knife, making a bow drill set from start to finish, hand drill set, traps, trap triggers, I fixed my prosthetic leg one time, lighting fires, splitting wood, shaving wood, general cutting tasks. It's stainless steel, cleans up pretty easy for food prep. You name it. Opening my food for the weekend, adjusting a scope on a rifle, you name it, it's done it. And I would put the farmer right at the top of my list.